Which
Square
bracket?
bracket.
Square bracket. Okay. Uh, what are the different symbols we have discussed for the relational operators? Tell me. What are the notations you are using for the relational operators?
Minus GT,
Uh,
minus GL,
uh,
minus
GL,
LT,
GL for what?
greater than equal to,
GL. Is that correct?
GE, I guess.
G
E,
E. Okay. Then
then minus LT,
minus LT for
less than,
okay. Then
minus LE, less than equals to,
minus LE less than equal to. Then
for equal to we use minus EQ,
okay. Then
minus NE for not equal.
correct. If you want to combine more than one condition, then what you are using?
And or
And or. Logical and logical or. What is the notation for logical and logical or?
minus A for and minus O for or.
Minus. Okay. So it is this. Now, have you remembered the syntax of if else? Can you tell me syntax of if else? Syntax of if else. Okay, Asutosh Mishra, are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You, you tell. Syntax of
Yes,
your
ma'am. If square bracket condition,
condition. After that,
then the execution, the part which you want to execute.
okay. Then after that,
Else, then what you want to execute.
else the part you want to execute. After that,
After that, phi.
fine. So here, if is completed with phi, there is no starting and ending curly bracket to represent your if block or the else block. Okay. For the condition 2, the if block statements inside if block are executed, but here there is no starting and the curly bracket. So through the keyword then, through the keyword phi, it is understood by the cell program. So now all of you quickly complete the question number 3. Is it visible to you? Question number 3. Is the question visible to you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Last class I have already sent you the assignment tool as assignment 2. All of you open that assignment. So your question is you have to write a shell script. Name of the script is allow. That will simply display a message to enter the internal mark and the percentage in attendance. If the entered mark is greater than equal to 20 and entered percentage is attendance is greater than equal to 75, then you have to display a message allowed for the semester. Otherwise, it will display the message not allowed. Okay? So simply the
Greater than
condition
वाला,
greater than
मैम वो जो
equal.
ग्रेटर देन, यस मैम, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल देन वो वाला थोड़ा रिपीट करा देंगे.
For greater than equal to, you have to use the symbol GE. all of you quickly write the program. After completing, put in the chat box who have completed. Accordingly, I am going to give your mark related to assignment 2. Quickly complete the question number 3 only. After completing, put in the chat box the message completed or not. Any other doubt related to the question number 3, how to implement? The basic concept already we have discussed. So quickly complete. Yes, who has completed the question number 3? Abhishek completed.
No, ma'am.
Complete. Jyoti is completed.
Doing, ma'am, doing, ma'am.
Simply two conditions you have to represent, then the two conditions you have to combine using the logical and or logical or.
Ma'am, and
And display one message related to the two conditions, display one message related to the condition false. This was thing. Quickly write. Nihar completed.
Yes, ma'am.
So your screen.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes.
So the output.
Ma'am, what I will enter?
Enter. You enter anything. Allowed. Now once again roll it. Less than 22. 50. It is 80. Now first one is 30. Okay. 1965. Once again run it. Correct. Okay. So your code. Correct. Now you go for the stop sharing. Go for the question number 4. Who else have completed? Abhisekar, have you completed?
Ma'am, mine showing error. Can you check that, please?
So, show your screen. Go to the program. You have used wrong symbol for logical and. Ashish,
minus A होगा.
hyphen A. And there is one more error also. There is one more error. Go to your code. Who will tell? Abhisekar, can you tell me what is the other error he has made?
Ma'am, $A
Dollar A is not the error.
Not allowed space.
greater than G minus G. He has written.
E is not the error. It was given greater than equal to. That is the error. He has not given space before after the square bracket. Keep that. Ashutosh, just before dollar, after if there should be space, then after square bracket, starting square bracket, there should be space. Before ending square bracket, there should be space. Have you given space after if? Check it. And then run your code. Who else have completed? Ashutosh, have you got your output?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So that Abhisekar, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
After Asutosh, you will show the output.
Okay.
Okay. Asutosh, stop. Abhishek, now show your output. Asutosh, stop presenting. Go for the question number 4. After Abhishek, Jyotish will show the output. Jyotish, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Just a second. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can go for the fourth question. Stop presenting.
Okay.
Jyotish, now you show. Tania, have you completed? Tania?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have written the code, but my Ubuntu is not working today, so I cannot type, ma'am.
You cannot. Sikriti? Sikriti Modak, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am, but I don't know why it's not.
What? What is your problem?
It is not taking the inputs, ma'am.
Present your screen. Let me check your code. Present your screen.
Ma'am, it is not presenting.
Why not presenting?
I don't know, ma'am. I think
Check there is a present now option there in your
yes, ma'am, I got it, but
present your entire screen करो और वही वाला आप open करो. Open that window.
ये नहीं हो रहा है, मैम. एक सेकंड, मैम, हम देख रहे हैं.
करो. Shruti Namra. Shruti Namra, are you there? Have you completed? Nikita,
Yes, ma'am.
have you completed?
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
Can you show your output?
Ma'am, but I have logged in through the mobile phone, so I can't share the
Logged
screen.
in, logged in through the laptop also.
Ma'am, can I send you the peak of the that terminal, Ubuntu
Yeah,
terminal?
yeah. Log in with your system.
Okay, ma'am.
Jyotish, what happened? Jyotish, are
yes,
you
ma'am. There
there?
is some unusual. Hello. Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. There is some unusual thing coming in my comment prompt. I can share the screen. You can rectify that.
So share your screen, show your output. show your code first. What is the problem? Let's check. By the time Nikita you log in, those who have completed question number 3, now go for the question number 4.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have some network issue. It's not connecting through the laptop.
If you are connected to the mobile means you will able to connect, right?
Ma'am, but I can send you the peak.
Can you show me the output?
Yes, ma'am, that peak I can send you.
Send. This is your mistake is after if you have not given the space. Now run it.
Okay, ma'am, got it, ma'am.
आ गया? Check with one
Yes,
more
ma'am. Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Check with one more also. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am. It's working. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Working, ma'am.
Others, those who are not able to do, at least check it and accordingly do it. Take 2 minutes to show the code. Clear करो वहीं पर. Clear your screen.
Ma'am, you're telling me?
Yes, to you. Most of your friends are not doing. I know that. So at least let them know what should be the correct code. Those who are showing me accordingly, I am marking their names.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, I have sent you through the WhatsApp.
those who are not responding, that also I am marking. Okay. So just check. First statement is the echo statement to display the message to enter the mark. Second statement to read that mark. Similarly, next echo statement to enter the attendance, read the attendance. Then specify the condition here. Jyotish have specified the condition using square bracket. Otherwise, you can also specify the condition using the test command. Instead of square bracket, there should be the test keyword. After it, there is the then keyword, then the related message, else keyword, the related message to the else block, finally the file. Now, Jyotish, you stop presenting. Now, all of you go to the question number 4. The script is small 3 that will compare 3 numbers passed as command line arguments and display the smallest one. That means if you will write small 3, the command line in the 3 numbers, instead of giving as user defined input the way you have done in question number 3, if you will pass in the command line, which after the name of the file small 3, it will pass like 10, 5, 20. Then it will display the smallest number is 5. Nikita, can you tell me how you will access the command line arguments inside the cell program? Nikita,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, I have forgotten that.
suppose you will run this small 3, 10, 5, 20. How you will able to access this 10, 5, 20 in your program?
Dollar star dollar at the rate, that kind of thing.
That kind of.
Not remember, ma'am, actually.
Abhishekar, can you tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
For this particular example, tell me how that 10, 5 and 20 you can access in your program.
Means for question number 4.
For question number 4.
Ma'am, read A, B, C.
I am telling you that it was not given, you have to give the user defined input. It was given clearly in the question, the 3 numbers will be passed as command line argument. So I have given you the sample how to run your program. Small 3 space 10 space 5 space 20. You tell me how that 3 numbers you are going to access in your program. So many questions based on your command line arguments we have discussed in the assignment 1. So how you will access this 10, 5, 20? Abhisekar,
Ma'am, using dollar.
Andala, what? After dollar, what?
Dollar numbers.
$10, $5, $20, like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong. Jyotish, can you tell?
I think it's eco 10 520.
Wrong. Asutosh, can you tell? If you have saved the program of your assignment 1, just go through that. I think in the question number 5 or 6 we have I think with the question number 5 we have checked the command line arguments in the assignment 1. Check them. Asutosh, can you tell me, Asutosh Mishra,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Telling
how you will access this 10, 5, 20 in your program?
I'm using that.
Using
Ma'am, using A is equal to 10 and eco A is equal to dollar A.
wrong. That is not command line argument I am telling. How you can access the command line arguments? Using dollar symbol before the position. That means 10 is the first position, so $1. $1 will access the first command line argument. $2, second command line argument. $3, third command line argument. $0, the name of the program. So your $0 means small 3. $1 means 10. $2 is 5. $3 is 20. If more than this, whatever number of command line arguments you will pass, that is going to access simply by using the dollar symbol before that particular position. Got the thing? Or any doubt now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am. Got it.
quickly solve within 5 minutes. Already you know the logic how to find out the smallest among 3 numbers. Smallest among 3 numbers, that logic is known to you. The syntax how to use that already I have explained. So now within 5 minutes quickly complete the question number 4.
Ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Who have completed question number 4?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in previous question, now it again showing error.
Previous question. So your
Yes,
screen,
ma'am.
it will not show
Entire
you.
screen,
Yes.
entire screen.
अगर तुम प्रेजेंट नहीं करोगे तो हाउ आई विल चेक योर कोड?
Yes, ma'am.
प्रेजेंट करो, देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है.
मैम हुआ क्या? प्रेजेंट
हाँ हुआ.
मैम, this error is coming.
Where you have completed the square bracket after 70, give the space. Repeatedly I have told you, before after square bracket you should give the space. That is your error. What the thing?
Yes, ma'am.
उसको ठीक करो, देखो आउटपुट आ रहा है या नहीं. You are able to present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हो गया? Now quickly go for the question number 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Stop presenting karo and go for question number 4. Yes, who have completed question number 4? आशुतोष कंप्लीट हुआ? आशुतोष मिश्रा
यस मैम कर रहा हूँ 1 मिनट मैम कर रहा हूँ
कर रहे हो. अभिषेकर have you completed?
No, I'm doing.
Doing. Quickly complete. निहार कंप्लीट हुआ?
Yes, ma'am, just now.
कंप्लीट हो गया है तो show me your output.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, how can you use the else if statement in Unix?
Okay, now run once again 34 6 middle में रखो हाँ. Then another bigger number कुछ भी दो. Enter. Okay, enter the smallest number at the first command line argument. Let 34 60 90. Enter. No problem. Enter. Correct. So your code. Okay, very good. Here you have used the nested if else. This is correct. Stop presenting. Now Nihar, you listen. Nihar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
You have used else. You have used nested else if else. Code is correct. Now you check in that code instead of writing else keyword if keyword separately, use the keyword elif in your program. Using elif also check whether you are getting the output or not. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Who else have completed? There are different ways, the different logics are there to solve the smallest number among three numbers. Use your own logic. अभिषेक कंप्लीट हुआ?
नो मैम, दिक्कत हो रहा है कुछ.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है?
मैम आई थिंक कोड में कुछ दिक्कत है.
दिखाओ. So your code.
Yes ma'am, is it visible?
Yes. Your code is wrong. Your logic is wrong.
Okay.
Your logic is wrong. number will be the smallest one.
Yes, ma'am.
You have written the wrong logic. You have taken mean equal to $1. That means the first number. Then you have compared $A less than dollar minimum.
Okay.
$A
Okay.
is taken the first number. If condition true, then mean will be $B. How is it possible? Your code is wrong. Rectify that. Stop presenting.
Okay.
Asutosh, have you completed?
Ma'am, mine's some error. Can you check that?
So, obviously, logic should be if the first number is greater than the second, first number is greater than the third one, then first is the sorry. If the first number is smaller than the second one, first number is smaller than the third one, then first is the smallest number. Same logic you can check for the other two. Okay. You
Okay,
have
ma'am.
written the sentence. Uh, Asutosh. Asutosh, are you able to
Yes,
listen?
ma'am.
You have
Yes, ma'am.
used क्या हुआ? स्क्रीन क्यों स्टॉप किए? कितना सारा एरर लिखे हो?
No, ma'am. Stop.
The
Stop, ma'am.
numbers through 1, 2, 3, $1, $2, $3. Then why you have printed in A? Echo A is smallest. 1 will be smaller if you will write. Listen, first line. $1 is less than $2 and $1 is less than $3. First line. Okay. $1 less than $2 hyphen A $1 less than $3. Then echo
Ma'am, $2 be
$1 is smaller. Got the thing?
मैम अगर $1 $2 से लेस है एंड $2 अगर लेस हो गया
नहीं,
then
$1
1 will be
अगर listen. $1 if it is less than $2 and $1 less than $3, then display echo $1 is the smallest number. ठीक है? So the code तुम्हारा कहाँ चला गया? Then else if नहीं लिख के वहीं पर तुम elif लिखो. Instead of using two keywords else and if separately, write there elif. Similarly, there you write if $2 less than $1 and $2 less than $3, then echo $2 is smallest. Else $3 echo $3 is smallest. Now check your code. Line number 3, command is not found. Go to the program. Let's check.
I mean, it's showing 7
Go to
then
the
so command
program. Let's check what is the error. प्रोग्राम के अंदर और एक बार जाओ.
इको के बाद स्पेस आएगा आंसर से मैं सेमीकोलन नहीं दिया है इको के बाद थर्ड इको
4 लाइन में स्पेस दो तो सारे इको लाइन में स्पेस दो. आफ्टर इको गिव ए स्पेस देन डॉलर. स्पेस दिए था सारे इको स्टेटमेंट में. एलिफ तुम्हारा नहीं निहार तुम्हारा एलिफ काम किया?
Ma'am, doing it is not taking. If I use elif, it is not taking else.
Yeah, ma'am.
It is not taking else. Okay. Okay, Asutosh, instead of elif, again check else and if separately. Let's check what will the problem.
Ma'am, elif is working, ma'am. Else if is not working.
Else if is not there. Else if is
Yes,
not
ma'am,
working.
working. Ma'am, elif is
Elif is working. Asutosh, have you got your output? Okay. Now, again,
yes, small thing is my small
Seven
thing
is
is my
smallest.
file.
What happened? Again check your code. Smallest 9, 7, 10 करके. Small 3, 9, 7, 10. Asutosh, Asutosh, now you stop sharing. Abhisekar, have you completed? Abhisekar, am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible.
अभिषेक तुम्हारा अभी कंप्लीट हुआ?
Yes, ma'am, हो गया है बस.
आउटपुट निकला?
Yes, ma'am, check कर रहे.
अच्छा, जतिश तुम्हारा आउटपुट आया?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
By the
Hello,
time
am I audible?
हाँ
Hello.
you present Jatish. Jatish, you present now. After that, Abhisekar will present.
Okay, ma'am.
Jatish, you show your output. Okay. ठीक है. I have already checked it. Correct. It is correct. Stop presenting. Abhisekar, now you present. Abhisekar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sikriti, have you got your output? क्या वो command not found क्या लिखा है?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
हाँ.
no. Ma'am, smallest number is dash, nothing showing, ma'am.
तुम एक Abhisekar, again your code is wrong. If A is less than B, then next line you compare A is less than C, not C less than A. चेक करो ठीक करो कोड को.
Okay, ma'am.
करो वहीं पर. सेकेंड सिक्स्थ लाइन में जो लिखे हो उसको लिखो इफ डॉलर ए लेस देन डॉलर सी. Then echo smallest number is $a. Else smallest number is similarly else if में क्या लिखे तुम? else if में b करो. If b is less than c, smallest is b, is then high. Okay, ठीक है. अभी रन करो तो उसको.
मैम ये एल्सिफ लिखा हुआ है, ये चलेगा? एल्सिफ है
वो भी
मैम।
चलेगा. else if को हटा के elif करने से भी चलेगा.
ओके मैम।
But with elif, second phi is not required, I think so.
Ma'am, again it's showing error.
Path hard क्यों?
आर्ग्यूमेंट्स।
Small is your small is executable file or not? Check it first. File का नाम small 3 करो. Why you have given small? Rename करो उसको. MB small space small 3 करो. ls करो. हाँ. ls hyphen l small 3 करो तो. hyphen l small 3 करो. Okay. Now run small 3. Small 3 space. Pass the argument. Number तो दो. 10, 5, 20. सेकेंड कमांड. पाथ हार्ड किए हो. पाथ हार्ड करके चेक करो. पाथ इक्वल टू $पाथ कलोन डॉट. पाथ हार्ड करो तो यहाँ पर.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Add the path.
Okay, ma'am.
Path equal to $. Now run your code. Now go to what is there in your line number 15 to 21. Let's check.
That एल्सिफ पार्ट मैम आई थिंक।
Okay. वहीं पर else के बाद सेकेंड लाइन ये उसमें से error दिख रहा है. उस else separate if it is correct. else if को एक लाइन में लिखो. निहार, are you there?
Yes,
Nihar,
ma'am.
just check the code. Tell me where is the error.
Okay, ma'am.
You have also written the nested if else. else if else separate if के जगह पर elif लिखो तो देखते हैं क्या दिखा रहा है.
Ma'am, this way. Ma'am, like this.
elif. हाँ, देखो तो अभी हो रहा है या नहीं.
Okay.
करेक्ट आंसर नहीं एलसीफ में तो होना चाहिए तुम्हारा क्या एरर दे रहा है
यस मैम देखते हैं.
और एक बार दिखाओ तो फिर नहीं आया ना गो टू द प्रोग्राम once again command not found if dollar a less than
नहीं हो रहा है मैम.
ये तो मैं भी देख रही हूँ क्यों नहीं हो रहा ओके 5 की जगह पर जैसे एल शिफ्ट किए थे और एक बार करो फाइव की जगह पर हाँ ठीक है कोड तो ठीक है code is correct but why it is not going और एक बार सेव करके रन करो तो देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है and why you have taken again ABC already you are able to access them through 1 2 3 dollar 1 dollar 2 dollar 3 why again you are accessing storing them in ABC directly you can use them okay रन सेव करके और एक बार रन करो देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है otherwise your code is correct
No ma'am again.
small c command not found it was showing path hard करो तो
Yes ma'am.
और एक बार path hard करो तो
Okay.
otherwise लिखो dot forward plus small 3 10 5 20 इस तरह से एग्जीक्यूट करो तो देखते हैं क्या हो रहा है
Dot slash small 3.
then give the three numbers 10 5 20
Okay.
it is not showing the same thing okay you stop sharing Nihar again you show your code
Okay, ma'am.
this is the code of I don't find anything wrong Nihar again show your code just Abhishek, your code is correct, but I don't know why it is not giving the output. Okay, those who are not able to do, check it. But again, here in this code, there are so many redundant things are there. Like he has again taken ABC. No need to take ABC directly. You can write with if $1 hyphen LE $2, and then after that you have compared $C. Okay, okay. Now stop presenting. All of you first attend this quiz. Quickly submit the response of the quiz. Last 2 minutes. Jyotish, have you completed your quiz? Jyotish,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's completed.
present your screen.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
Yes. तुम्हारा हो गया ना? So your code. So the code of small 3. Abhisekar, you try also this code whether it is working or not. If you are using OLEAF, then there will be only one file. No need of in else if you need the file corresponding to each if block, if else block. But with the ELIF, only one file is there for the starting if block. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
take that. But the previous code is correct. I don't know why it is not working. And one thing you don't again after directly accessing the command line arguments through $1, $2, $3, no need of again access it through ABC. The
Okay.
same thing is also done by Nihar. No need of taking the three arguments ABC and assigning it to again $1, $2, $3. Okay, you can check that one. So those who are not able to complete the code of question number 4, so go through the code, then we'll proceed for the next concept. So now next concept is how to implement your case control structure in the cell program. So before going to the examples, now listen, in your C or the Java program, you are using the keyword switch case for representing your case control. But here there is no keyword switch case. So here directly the keyword is case, then the condition control variable The syntax for using this is control variable in. Then you have to represent the choice value, choice 1. Then whatever statements you want to execute, write those statements. After that, put the double semicolon. I'm writing all these things in the chat box. Carefully just check what is the general format of using case control structure. Similarly, you have to write the choice 2. If the parenthesis, the statement that you want to execute. Then after that, simply put double semicolon. Okay, here there is no break statement you have to write inside the case control, inside the case. And to represent the default case, use the asterisk symbol. Then after that, whatever the statement you want to write that one. And finally, put the double semicolon. And to show that the switch block is completed, here use the keyword which is the reverse of the word case. That means ESAC. So this is the general syntax of your switch case. Let's discuss with the first example. Jyotish, you create a file named as SCEX1. SCEX1. All of you just carefully check. Now here the question is, let we will pass one integer as the command line argument and display the message. Like if the argument is 1, then it will display Sunday. If it is 2, it will display Monday, like this. Okay? So as the program will take only one command line argument, that command line argument we can no, don't write anything, Jyotish, listen first. We are passing here the command line argument, so that can be accessed through $1. So that command line argument will act as the control variable here. So in the first line, Jyotish, you simply start with the keyword case. Write case $1 in. $1 is the command line argument. If you will pass 1, then it will display Sunday, 2, Monday, like this. So case $1 space in. This is the general syntax. Case, the control variable in. Then come to the next line. So now you are going to represent the choice. So what are the different values that $1 can take? So how many choices here we have? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So simply write first 1. Choice 1 के लिए 1. Give the parenthesis. Closing parenthesis. Come to the next line. Echo Sunday लिखो. Come to the next line. Double semicolon. Double semicolon. Same way for 2, choice 2. 2 लिखो. Echo Monday. Double semicolon. 7 लिखो, after double semicolon 7 लिखो. So here we have used the integer numbers for the choice variable. Now for the default case, write the asterisk. Next option is asterisk. Asterisk, that means star, not the hash. Star symbol. Again give the parenthesis. Then display the message, echo you have entered invalid number. Then finally write ESAC. Next line. Go to the next line. ESAC. So here just take, there is no starting and the closing curly bracket. So how to know that from which point the switch means the case control structure start and where it ends. So through this keyword case and ESAC. Got the thing? So now save the program, run it. Save the program and run it. Make it executable fast before running. Line number 26. ESAC के जगह पर I think you have written ESSC. Case का opposite. Go to the code once again. Reverse of the word case. ESAC. ESAC. Don't write ESSC. Reverse of the keyword case. Case का spelling क्या था? CAAC. So now write ESAC. ESAC. Now run. Okay. Check with some other options. Okay. Clear your screen. Show the code to others. Show the code to others. So all of you simultaneously check it and run your code. Simply you remember it will start with the keyword case, then the control variable in, then specify the choice. So for each choice, what is the statement you want to execute? Represent that. End it with the double semicolon. No break statement here, the way you are using in your C or the Java. So instead of using multiple if-else statement to perform a multi-way checking, you can directly go for your case control structure using the keyword case ESSE. So here you are giving an expression to evaluate and it is executed several different statements based on the value of that expression. Is against the value of the expression until your match is found. If nothing matches, it will go to the default condition. That concept already you know. So that means here that $1, the value of the $1 is compared with each and every pattern, each and every number you have provided in the case where there is the matching found, it was simply executing that echo statement. If no match is found, it is going to the default option, that is your asterisk, and representing that invalid number. Got the thing? Now it is not that you can only represent the number there. You can also represent characters. You can also represent a range of values. Okay. So now let's discuss the second question, that is your the question number 5. So question number 5 is you have to write a script named as, here I am showing you, don't stop presenting your please. You have to write a shell script named as check character, which will display one message to enter the character, and according to the character entered, it will display the appropriate message from the options provided. That is, you have entered a lowercase alphabet, you have entered a uppercase alphabet, you have entered a digit, you have entered a special symbol, or you have entered more than one character. So it is not possible that lowercase alphabet means 26 alphabets. So 26 cases you are going to make. Similarly, uppercase 26 plus 26. No. Instead of doing that, we can also specify the range of values by putting it simply within the square bracket. So that is create another file named as check underscore character, CHAR. CHECK underscore CHAR. Go to the program. So here it was given in the question that you have to display a message to enter the character. Check. The first line you write the message to enter a character. क्या लिखोगे? Echo enter a character. Read CH. Okay. Now next start case. Case $CH in $CH in. The first option you specify within square bracket small a hyphen small z. So that means small within square bracket a hyphen z लिखो. A hyphen z. Okay, that means all the alphabets that writing from small letter A to small letter Z that you have specified in the range here. So after that, simply give the parenthesis. So previously you are writing only one value. Here you have specified a range of value. Now write the echo statement. Echo, you have entered a lowercase alphabet. Echo, you have entered a lowercase alphabet. Now capital A hyphen capital Z. Second option is for uppercase alphabet. Similarly, write the statement. Echo, you have entered the uppercase alphabet. So, uppercase alphabet. Double semicolon to represent the end of that particular block. Double semicolon. Then third option is to digit. You have entered a digit. So what will be the range for the digit? 0 hyphen 9. Digit spelling you have written wrong. D-I-G-I-T. The next option is for special symbol. So for that, simply you put a question mark and then no need of any range. Only put a question mark. Question mark. Question mark for your special. Already I have told you, question mark is treated as a meta character by the cell. Question mark we are using for a single character. So if the character is not a small lowercase alphabet, neither it is uppercase alphabet, neither it is a digit. If any other symbol, then it will obviously match or it will be catched through that question mark. So right, you have entered echo, you have entered a special symbol. Now come to the default case, asterisk. Asterisk. Give the parenthesis. Go to the line number 16. Give the parenthesis after asterisk. Closing parenthesis. Now write you have entered more than one character. You have entered more than one character. You have entered, write the statement, you have entered more than one character.
Yes, ma'am, it's written.
Written. It is not showing. Then finally write ESAC. Finally write ESAC. And then run your code. All of you simultaneously check. All of you also do write the code corresponding to question number 5. Here, this is the question number 5 we are solving. Now run it. Check your output.
Yes, ma'am, I got disconnected.
Okay, no problem. Nihar, have you written the code of question number 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got the output?
Ma'am, I got the output, but is not showing an uppercase alphabet.
Go to the code.
Okay, ma'am.
If I write the command check underscore care and after that some digit, will it execute the command?
What one? Check.
Ma'am, if I write the check care command and after that some symbol, will it execute?
Yes. I will show you the output. Just check it here. With Nihar, just check. निहार लिखो. नहीं, पहले रन करो, देखते हैं क्या दिखा रहा है. स्मॉल ले दो. हाँ, यू हैव एंटर्ड a word. कैपिटल ले दो. Okay. So now, Nihar, listen. You write in the command prompt. All of you listen. Those who are after entering the capital letter not getting the message properly, write there in the command prompt LANG, capital LANG, capital, no, nothing else, no, only write capital LANG equal to capital C. Semicolon. नेक्स्ट लाइन एंटर. हाँ, अब अभी रन करो. चेक कैरेक्टर. Got the output. Now enter a digit. Correct. Enter a special symbol. Okay. Check once again with asterisk whether check and character entered is the asterisk symbol. ठीक है. Now take enter your name. So all of you just check. Here we have checked with all the options. Small letter, capital letter, digit, any special symbol, you can check it here. और एक बार run करो तो check character. Enter the symbol hash. Hash symbol enter करो. Okay. Ashutosh, have you got your output?
Yes, ma'am, got them.
So Nihar, once again, just show the code to others.
Yo, boy.
কাল রাতে ঘুমিয়েছিলিস?
So students, we have completed up to question number 5. Now question number 6 and question number 8. You complete it as your homework. In the next lab, I will direct your output of question number 6 and 8. And how to solve question number 7, that I will explain. Now respond your roll call. Abhijit Raut,
Present.
Ankit Das.
Present, ma'am.
Nihar, you can stop presenting. I think all of you have written the code of question number 5. So Nihar, you can stop presenting. Simon Pradhan. Simon. Partha Sarathi Malik.
Present, ma'am.
Tanya Jha,
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Mishra,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Nikhil Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul Channapati,
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Aisman Ray,
Present, ma'am.
Chandrakant Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Atish Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
Nitish Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Satyas Patel,
Present, ma'am.
Anup Kumar Mukherjee, Anup Kumar Mukherjee, Hariom Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Sandeep Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Trivikram Patnaik,
Present, ma'am.
Smriti Ranjan Biswal,
Yes, ma'am.
Rajiv Dubey,
Yes, ma'am.
Sikriti Mudar,
Present, ma'am.
Sambit Kumar Sahu, Krishna Murari Sharma,
Present.
Vidya Prakash Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Kakan Chatterjee,
Present, ma'am.
Asutosh Sinha,
Present, ma'am.
Debajyoti Das,
Present, ma'am.
Shikhar Swarup,
Present, ma'am.
Soumya Mahapatra, Shikshak Samantray,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ananya Lenka, Shruti Namra Mahapatra,
Yes, ma'am.
Khushi,
Present, ma'am.
Neha Ranjan Pillai,
Present, ma'am.
Sibulu Das,
Present, ma'am.
Nikita Rojalin Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Samal,
Present, ma'am.
Abhisheka,
Present, ma'am.
Kaif Mohammadi, Anjali Gaurav,
Present, ma'am.
Priyavrata Das,
Present, ma'am.
Alisa Patnaik, Vidyadhar Sir,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya, Diksha Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
Amrit Kaur,
Present, ma'am.
Rajesh Kumar Padi, Satyanarayan Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Prajwal Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Rupam Kumar Meher,
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can leave the class.